What's up? Odd. There's a weird thing on my screen at the moment that I don't really understand what it means. Hang on for one moment. It's still there. Oh my god. I'm gonna go back to something real quick. Hang on for 1 second. Okay, so if that little camera thing shows up on the thingamajig, I don't know what to do with it. I honestly don't know. I don't know what it means at all. So, trying things out right now. Still learning about things. And, just, yeah. Cooper all the way out there. That's not a bad idea to do. See if we can see Cooper. We got him. He seems to be playing with, what's her name? That's not a her, that's a he. Never mind. Let me go back. Whee! I don't have a clue what this little camera thing does or means, so, I'm trying to drop this thing. If only there was a better way of holding this thing, I'd be so much happier, but it's not. So, yeah. I've been trying different things with this thing. It's been so awesome. I'm gonna sit on steps. I've been doing vlogs all day, catching up to them, and just trying to get them to the point where I'm caught up. You know, sort of that thing. But I can't remember what I was gonna say. It's kind of hard to think because I got this pain in my cheek at the moment, just throbbing. Oh, I hate this wound. Curses. But, no. It'll come back to me. But anyways, yeah. Today is quite nice. It's like the nicest day ever. It's 2 nice days in a row. This rain and warm weather, all it hurts. Rain and warm weather have just come in and had the leaves fall, and just, it's awesome. Very good walking weather too, must I say. It's really good too. Oh, for my birthday last night I got some little headband thing that you slant to cover your ears when you walk. Got gloves with texting fingers, and I also got some nice sweatpants to walk in also. Really cool. Love them. Just so awesome, but they don't have any pockets. My mom thought they had pockets and it didn't. It was just a toy, you know, just to say, hey, I'll just psych you out. Thank you. It's fine. Perfectly fine. I love them still. They're great. But, what else was I going to say? Let's see, I got the camera. I got gloves. I got headband. I got the pants. Photoshop Elements 12. My parents got that for me also, but I actually had to tell them what to get, you know, because they were like, there's so many Photoshops now, we can't really decide. So I had to go out with them and buy it. But we got it for $50 at Office Depot and on Amazon. Oh my goodness, it was $60-something. Big bargain. Very big bargain there. save money. Just like I saved money on buying this camera, which was this recorder. It was normally $300, and on Cyber Monday it was $160 something. Well, that's with tax, but it's actually 40 something, but with tax it was 64, 62, 64, somewhere around that age. The age number. I can't talk. Relief. But yeah, I'm having so much fun with this thing. It's awesome. I love it. I just want to take it everywhere and see how well it does. Just test it out. See what type of things I've got. Just bring it out and just test it. It's amazing. I'm so going to be recording this Christmas with it. I'm going to be recording just about everything, really. Just awesome. And have y'all ever seen a dog eat these little berries? These little berries that are on these little berries right here. You see them? He's going to be eating them. He's eating them. He's what is the word called? Foraging. He's foraging. That's what he's doing. He's foraging. That's right. Oh. And they've eaten every single berry on these bushes. Like there's, whoa, there's a post there. There's hardly any more on these little things right here. There's hardly any. Just, it's crazy. Oh, he's gonna pee. Okay. I didn't know what he was doing. Oh yeah, and Pacha has gotten Lou to eat these too. Look at this. That dog. Look at that dog. He's just eating them. Eating. Alright, so I'm getting used to this, to the zoom mode. It's really cool. Is he going in yet? Yes. The man has gone in. Yes, I can come out and record stuff. Awesome. And it's just amazing. This thing is so awesome. I wonder how. Yeah, I love this. I'm so glad that I invested in this thing. Like, it's just amazing. I love it. It's awesome. But the thing is, though, I gotta watch for poop when I walk in the yard. But I didn't know what that was at first. It was the dog's toy. But yeah, I wonder how well this thing does when I run. Because when I run, I wonder if it'll pick up the wind noise. That's a good way to try. Let's try it. Wonder how well it's doing right now. There's a frisbee. There's a bird bath. Somehow fell over. Whew. So I am still testing this thing, and see how well it does. I shouldn't have ran. Can't think now. But anyways, all of this is still testing. It will be for quite a while until I get everything just right how I want it, and see what works best, which settings I can do, which settings are just awesome together, which ones don't really work. And yeah, I'll see how this works out. If it works out good, then I can go walking or whatever with this thing and at the farm or the country and then take pictures and have amazing footage to put on my channel of the farm where our cattle are and coyotes. And we have a huge band of coyotes now. But we also have deer and buck and all that stuff. So we got a good bit of stuff going on that'll keep us busy for a bit. My cousins have been shooting coyotes when they go down there. I don't think it's made any difference. But Dad, he saw some of our oh my god, sorry. He was looking at some of our equipment today, or yesterday, Sunday, or was it Saturday? Saturday, because we had our cousins there, and so he was thinking. He turned to me. He's like, "Hey, we should build a shed." And I was like, "Wow, that's a great idea. We do need a shed." Because all our equipment is on one side of the field now, because it can't be in the other side of the field with the cows, because it got stolen last time, because there's no gate. There's nothing to protect it. There's nothing. So, the reason we leave all the gates open is because the cows, they get out, and then they can't get back in, so we leave some of the gates open, but not the main ones, just side ones, so they can wander on in. I think we fixed that. We've sold some of the troublemakers, the ones that really jump. Yeah. Look what I just found. It's a cricket. Wow. That's a nice cricket. It's amazing. Whoops, too much. Too much again. Wow. Huh. Okay, so I saw it all the way over there from over here. Look over here. Look right there. Wait, hang on, let me steady my arm. What is that? Oh my god, my arm cannot be steady. That's a whale cricket. Okay, I need to be over there. I cannot get steady at all. Look at this little guy. That's another one. Huh. So awesome. Wait, where'd that ant go? Oh, I just saw an ant somewhere. There he is. It's too close. Too close again. Okay, well, anyways, I'm thoroughly pleased with this thing. Just really, really cool. Can't believe I'm actually videotaping this. And so clearly, too. It's awesome. Where you going, little guy? Huh? Where you going? This is so amazing. It's so clear. The other one hasn't even moved. It hasn't moved whatsoever. He's still sitting right there. go. Oh, there he is. I found him. He's right there. So he made it. I don't think I've ever seen any grasshoppers out in the day like this. But, yeah. Just so cool. I love this zoom out. It's awesome. Look at Potch's hairy little butt. So awesome. Alright, so I'll see y'all later. I gotta go. I gotta go check this video out. And do stuff. So, it's really too close. I'm sorry. So, yeah, I'll see y'all later. Bye!